Okay, got the Norden, got a decat in there. It's a little loud. This is the decat that I took out. I put the one in with the resonator, still kind of loud. So I got a hold of a catalyst. Ta-da, catalyst. Took the wheel of death to it. This is what's inside the catalyst. This section here is the catalyst. Exhaust comes in here, goes through the catalyst. This acts as a little bit of a muffler in here and goes out and up to the muffler. So what I'm going to do is see if I can take at least a section of this piece out, take the catalyst out of the middle of there, and build some sort of a baffle inside, see if I can quiet it back down. I'm just cutting kind of along the seam where I can get to with the wheel of death. Cut a little bit on this inward of this seam here. That seems to be coming apart okay. Working on it that way. So the outer skin is attached to the catalyst. So you gotta peel it away from that. And then I'm gonna dig all the catalyst material out. All right, that's the stuff in the middle that acts as a catalyst. Exhaust gases containing HC coming here with excess air from the air pump. It combusts in here. That's what creates all the heat that cooks your ankles. Then it comes out. That's resonation to quiet it down some, and then out to the exhaust. So I gotta take all that out. All right, not a subtle process, but catalyst is out. Using non-subtle tools. Got an open chamber there, and this. Okay, basic idea for a baffle. Noise comes in here, hits this, takes tortuous path around, and around the bottom, and can go back out here. Shouldn't have a lot of restriction. Might have some pulses headed back up the header pipe. So I don't know what it'll do horsepower wise, but I don't think I'll notice it necessarily. Just gonna see if I can keep the noise on this side and less noise on that side.